In this video, we're gonna be unboxing the PetSafe Stay and Play. It's a compact wireless fence for your dog with a transmitter and a rechargeable collar. Let's go ahead and show you everything you get inside of this box if you're in the market for this. It's a pretty cool notion when you think about it, a compact wireless fence. I can imagine gonna take some training for it to work, but let's go ahead and see exactly what you get inside of the box. This is what it looks like once you open it up. And not too many pieces. Oh, these are the flags. So you're gonna set up that perimeter when you set up your zones. There is the Get Started guide and Start Training guide. Two different guides, very, very important to read. Let's see what else we have. Let's help, more guides. And then here is the transmitter. This is the important transmitter unit. Just looking on the back, I can see that it does have mounting screw holes, so you can mount this up. It's a little tiny display with some buttons. Very interesting. Let me put that down, and I'll give you a close-up of all of this once I'm done taking everything out of the box. What else do we have? We got the final stuff right here. Let me just put that away. Of course, we're gonna have the power plug, so it plugs into the wall. Here's the rechargeable collar. I can tell right now it is adjustable. Has this yellow kind of, let's see what this says. Obviously, it's trying to get your attention. Caution, avoid leaving collar on pet for more than 12 hours per day. So this is not something that you're gonna leave on all the time. You're gonna take it off. I guess the training is gonna be very, very important for that. Here is another plug. This looks like the plug to charge the collar, I'm imagining. It probably has another unit. Yes, there we go. Some more little bit of hardware. And that looks to be it. So I'm gonna go ahead and organize all this so you can get a nice close-up of all the different components of the PetSafe wireless compact fence zone. And here's a close-up of everything that you get out of the box. Of course, you have the Get Started guide, the Start Training guide. Also, Let Us Help. I'm sure if you run into any issues. Here's the transmitter that I was talking about. Ooh, it looks a little dusty. And let me just turn this around. I want to give you a nice close-up of what it looks like. So you do have that display. You notice I talked about those screw holes, so you can mount this and get it off the ground, which I would highly recommend. So that's the transmitter to create your fence. It even has a, looks like an alarm button right on the top. Interesting. Here's the collar. You can see it's adjustable. Look at those prongs. I guess that's what sends the shock when they get off the zone to make them want to come back for the training purposes. You have your power blocks. There's this piece as well. I have to see what that is for a little bit later. And then you have, I believe there's 50 of these to create that fence zone so that your dogs can actually see, you know, where that fence line is. If they do cross it, they're gonna get a little bit of a notification from the collar. It's gonna make them come back. And then of course, through this training, you're gonna be able to create that compact wireless fence without needing a physical fence to take your dog off the leash and allow them to play and keep everybody safe. I have to admit, I really love this whole concept of a wireless fence for your pet. Allows them to be off leash, you know, let a dog be a dog, but stay within those confines, and then just with the right technology and the right training, you can make that happen. Again, this is just the unboxing. For me to do a review, I'm gonna need a dog. I don't actually have a pet dog. My neighbor does, but we're in winter right now, so maybe in the springtime I can kind of set this up and see if we can really create a virtual fence and if it in fact works. If you have this or you're looking to get it, please leave your comments in the comment section and let me know what you think about this concept of creating this wireless fence for your dog so that they don't have to be on a leash and they can have a good time. This concludes the unboxing. I'm Andy Barrar. Be sure to like and subscribe if you're into this kind of stuff. You want to check out more tech products that I have on my YouTube channel. Handy Andy signing out. See you next time.